Yo, what's up guys? Andy here. This is a quick video on how to make money with Pokemon cards. Okay, so I just purchased this card. It's beat to death, you guys can see. It is a base set 2 Charizard. I paid $6 for this card. They shipped it to me, $6 total. And basically there's a company that grades cards called PSA. You can send your cards in and they will grade them. So like this is a PSA 4. This is just the original base set, not base set 2. What I'll do is I will send this card into PSA and I'll get it graded. And that process will cost me about $10. So total that would be $16. Then you can come to eBay and look up like recent prices. So this card will get a PSA 1 for sure. You can see right here, PSA 1. The last one sold for $76 on February 11th. So if mine sold for $76, that would be $60 gain. Figure in like shipping and fees, and you're looking at a $50 gain easy on this. So there you go, a $6 card. You guys can look for cards like this. I wouldn't expect to pay $6. I got a pretty lucky deal with this. But I'll send it to PSA, I'll get something like this that I could sell. But I'll probably just hold on to it, you know, it'll be worth 100 someday if I just keep holding on to it. These are rare, they're limited supply, they're vintage, they can't replicate this, they can't ever make more of these. So it's just a rare asset. Charizard is the most iconic card in this series. And that's it for this one. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.